Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to clear cache on TikTok, and now let's dive right in. Now to clear cache on TikTok, first open up your TikTok app on your phone, and you can do it from two ways guys, from the app as well as the settings. We'll be going through both. First, let's go to the app, and after opening your TikTok app guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see your profile icon, or this profile icon available for us at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that. And over here again at the top right corner of the screen, tap on the three-lined icons which is at the top right corner, and tap on the settings again. At the top right corner there is the gear or the settings icon, you can see guys. Tap on it, scroll down from over here until you can find there is the cache and cellular option available for us. Now below the offline videos there is the free up space option available for us. Tap on it, and over here you can see you can clear your cache option available for us from over here, and tap on clear, and then your cache will be cleared from the TikTok side. And let's go back, let's close this. Another way you can complete this is go to the settings of your phone and scroll down until you can spot the apps. You can see guys, just above the location there is the apps, and tap on the app management at the top of the screen. And over here guys, after this interface loads, you can see there is a search bar at the top of the screen. Tap over there and search for TikTok and open it. And over here guys, you can see the storage uses option available for us just below the data uses. Tap on storage uses, and over here again you can find the cache option of a TikTok on our device. So in order to proceed, tap on the clear cache, and the cache on TikTok will be cleared from the TikTok app as well as the setting of our phone. And with that being said guys, this is how to clear cache on TikTok. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.